A recent video from Sudan's ongoing civil conflict, shared on April 2, 2025, showcases Sudanese Armed Forces, SAF, deploying an Iranian-made Type 72Z main battle tank. Also identified as the T-72Z, Safir, 74, or Al-Zubair I, these tanks are part of Sudan's military arsenal in its fight against the Rapid Support Forces, RSF. The footage also highlights the use of Chinese DJI drones and night vision equipment by Sudanese soldiers, offering insight into the modernized elements of Sudan's military capabilities in the ongoing civil war. Sudan obtained the Type 72Z tanks back in 2006, and they remain among the SAF's most formidable military assets, crucial in securing key locations in the capital and regions like Darfur, where the battle rages on. The civil war erupted in April 2023, sparked by a power struggle between General Abdel Fattah al-Burhan, leader of the Sudanese Armed Forces, and Mohammed Hamdan Dagalo, known as Hemedti, head of the RSF. This conflict followed the collapse of a fragile civilian military government after the 2019 ouster of President Omar al-Bashir. The Sudanese civil war has evolved into an intense and prolonged military confrontation, marked by urban warfare, artillery barrages, and large-scale mechanized offensives. Both the SAF and RSF maintain substantial forces, with each side battling for control of vital areas like Khartoum and Darfur. The fighting has seen both sides relying on a blend of Soviet-era vehicles, modern drones, and light vehicles. The SAF continues to utilize older tanks and aircraft, while the RSF focuses on fast-moving technicals and captured equipment. Recent video footage confirms Sudan's continued use of Iranian-supplied and Iranian-manufactured military hardware, including the Type 72Z tanks, which are locally produced under the designation Al-Zubair I. These tanks are integral to the SAF strategy, helping it maintain control over crucial infrastructure in contested zones. The footage also underscores the growing use of commercially available technologies, such as off-the-shelf drones and night vision devices, integrated into the Sudanese Army's operations alongside more traditional military assets. The Type 72Z, which is part of an Iranian modernization effort, features upgrades designed to extend the service life of older Soviet-era tanks, including the T-54 and T-55. The modernization program, initiated in the 1990s, involved refurbishing surplus tanks and enhancing their combat capabilities. The Type 72Z incorporates features like explosive reactive armor, ERA, designed to resist a variety of anti-tank threats, improving the vehicle's survivability on the battlefield. This variant is equipped with a 105mm M68 rifled gun, a copy of the US M60A1 cannon, capable of firing laser-guided missiles such as the 9M117 Bastion with a range of 4 kilometers. Secondary armament includes a 7.62mm PKT machine gun and a 12.7mm DSHKM heavy machine gun for anti-aircraft and anti-personnel roles. The tank also boasts the EFCS-3 fire control system, which enhances targeting accuracy, particularly at night, by using a laser rangefinder and night vision capabilities. The Type 72Z's armor features a combination of first- and second-generation ERA, offering protection against shaped charges and certain anti-tank missiles. The tank's mobility is supported by a 780 horsepower V12 diesel engine, providing a top speed of 65 km per hour and the ability to navigate challenging terrain. With a crew of 4, the Type 72Z is also equipped with modern communication systems and onboard fire suppression, ensuring its effectiveness in the demanding conditions of Sudan's ongoing conflict. In addition to conventional military assets, Sudanese forces have increasingly incorporated commercial technologies like drones, enhancing their battlefield awareness and operational flexibility. These drones, alongside advanced targeting systems and modern night vision, represent a shift towards more integrated, high-tech military strategies in Sudan's civil war, highlighting the evolving nature of the conflict.